Brazil is our home and the inspiration for our brand, Sal de Janeiro. In Brazil, pretty feet are as important as pretty hands. Everyone in Brazil truly has a foot fetish. Brazilians adore sexy heels and sandals, and they like their feet to be soft, smooth, and very kissable. Taking care of your feet is an essential part of a Brazilian woman's body care regime.
That's why we created our unique dry foot care system, Samba two-step foot fetish care. Easy on, non-slip, no mess system for girls on the go. We wanted a foot care system that made your feet look and feel great and was easy and quick to use. After all, who has time to soak your feet every day and put on a foot cream that takes hours to absorb?
First, exfoliate dry feet with our adorable foot smoothing board for instant smooth results.
Our surfboard inspires smoothing footboard, and its cool carrying pouch make it fun to use and super easy to take on your travels.
Second, massage feet with Samba Foot Fetish Cream with our super moisturizing Brazilian beauty blend ingredients, cupuaçu butter, açaí, and coconut oil for nourished, touchable, and irresistible feet. Our refreshing açaí fragrance will add a spring to your step.
This fast-absorbing, non-greasy, non-slip, high-heel tested formula won't have you slipping around in your heels. The result is super soft, sexy, catch me, kiss me feet that are ready to go samba dancing. Now it's your turn to love it,
Flaunt it,
And show you've got it.